Good afternoon, Phil here from Got Memories. Okay, this is something that you need to do with every single video transfer. Okay, see blue screen if you're doing this yourself or if you're hiring a company or if you own a company. But this is what every tape, when you see blue screen, people think, oh, it's over with. It's been going for 17 minutes. Just tape is done. Now, every single company out there, I guarantee you, is going to do this, right? Is they're just going to go, it's done, eject it, moving on. Okay? No, this is what you have to do with all these old tapes. Okay? You ready? Okay, it's blue screen, right? It says play. Oh, did you just see it? I didn't even touch anything just then. That was classic. Okay, I didn't even hit the button. You can rewind it and check the video, not this. But look, watch this. You see this, you hit fast forward. And look, there's footage. Okay, so this is essential. Now, every company out there, pretty much, especially all these cheap, crappy companies you see on Facebook, is. Now, you can see it right there. This is a extremely common issue with Video 8 and Hi8. Okay, all of the formats have issues. Okay, you might get lucky for, 50 tapes in a row, but that doesn't tell you anything. So this is what needs to be done. See, look, you can see it there. It comes back a little bit. It's going. So look, it's Christmas morning. It's important to someone, and this is something that's missing from this industry, is a heart thinking that, this is people's lives. This is their memories. They're paying you to do the job, okay? So you can see it goes right there. Now this comes from, it could be the tape is bad, but more than likely the video head has become dirty, okay? So now it's already gone this far in. You've got to start the tape over again, okay? You have to. This is what people are paying you for, and this is why you hire a quality company, not these $10, $15 a tape companies that are just churn and burn, okay? As I talk about in all my other videos, if you've come across me new here, go check out my channel. All I am doing is redoing work from other companies. Half of my business is phone calls, emails, going, oh, you charge more than legacy, but go send your stuff. You might get it back. You might get your tapes back. Notice I didn't say anything else because people are getting their tapes back with stickers all over them, or half of the footage missing, or 90% of the footage missing, because nobody is cleaning video heads. You just think these magic machines that are 30 years old are going to be working perfectly. No. So look, there it is. Now, is it the tape? Is it the player? So what you have to do is you stop it. Actually, let's do this. I'm going to eject that tape. I'm going to rewind it here. Okay, and it's got no labeling on it. That's very typical. I'm going to rewind it in here because what I'm going to do is I'm going to do a basic clean. Okay, video head cleaner. You can get these. They're about $100 a tape. They have to be sealed as well. If they're not sealed, it means they've been used. Once you've used them once, that's it. Once it's gone all the way to the end, it's game over. It's another $100. $100? Yeah, in Japan only as well. You get them. Go on eBay, have a look. Sealed Video 8 head cleaners are insane because all of this stuff is 30, 40 years old. Production, the factories stopped making this stuff 25, 30 years ago, and there is a finite supply, so it goes to the highest bidder with all of this stuff. So I'm going to let this run for about 10 seconds. Now, this is the first run of a head clean, okay, because otherwise I've got to take it to pieces and I got to clean it. This particular job was the tapes were dirty. I know the moment I open a box and look at the discoloration of the tapes themselves, I can tell where they've been. So if people are trying to tell me that, oh, no, they've been in my they've been in my closet, they've been in a sealed container, that means that they should be clean and no crap on them. But no, my hands are just disgusting. I have to wash my hands. You don't know how many times a day with this stuff, because everything's filthy and not been cared for. And then me on the back end, I've got to undo all of that neglect from all of the decades I've been stuck in garages, attics, basements, covered in crap, crud. Okay. And now everyone thinks that this stuff is just going to transfer perfectly 35 years later. You know, and everyone's made the same. No, this is CPR for
December
memories.
1993.
1993 is 30 years old. 30 years. When was the last time any of your tapes were played? Well, like 5 years ago. 5 years was what? 1998? No, we are 2023 right now when I'm making this video. So, game isn't over yet, because now I have eyeballs on this at about the 12-minute mark. I am going to be over here making sure this carries on, continuing. And if it does cause the same problem again, I'm going to put that tape in another player. I'm going to cross-reference it. Is it the tape? Is it the player? This one tape right here might take me 5 hours to do. Yeah. Every company out there, all of these companies, and I would go into my spiel for you regular subscribers, all know crap. If I have a box here from a company, it means that they've screwed up. Yes, they're doing massive amounts of volume. Things fall through the cracks. They hire, $12 an hour people through Craigslist, and they go, what's a VHS tape? And they're like, you know what? We're going to teach you. You're hired. And then they get your massive pile of videotapes, no training, nothing, just hit play. All these companies do is they hit play, and guess what they do? They hit play, and they walk away. Play, walk away, play, walk away. The tape could look like crap, and they go, tape's gone bad. What do? We get the stickers out, and we plaster videotapes with stickers telling customers that their tapes have gone to crap, and there's nothing that they can do. I've peeled that corner off there because these numbskulls like to put stickers on top of labels. So if you've got your home, your chicken scratch of what's on there, well, guess what? They've put a very sticky sticker on there that peels everything off. But yeah, this is what you get back. Nice, neat email marketing. Website looks great. All of the lovey-dovey marketing. Well-designed, knockout job with all of the marketing. But then when you get it all back, you get a box and it's just shoved in there like discarded trash. That's what you're getting back, because guess what? They got your money. And guess what? You've only got 90 days to do a chargeback on your credit card. And guess what? You prepaid. So if you fell for the 65% Cyber Monday deal, which is 65% off 365 days a year, it's just bullshit. Guess what? You're going to get your stuff back in like April, May, June, maybe. By then, your credit card company is like, dude, you got 90 days. You made this purchase in November. You are shit out of luck, my friend. You're doing this again. No emails, no phone calls, no correspondence, and all of your tapes look like crap. But you only paid $400 instead of $1,200. So there you go. You got your $400 worth of stickers on tapes. That's what's happening in this industry. It's terrible. But there are some bright sparks out there. I've dedicated this channel to just ranting and letting everybody know what a load of shit is being pumped out there. So if you're doing this yourself, you're going to need multiple players. You're going to need head cleaners. You're going to need to learn how to operate VCRs, clean all the internals, keep your eyeballs on it. And what else? Just a lot of patience and buying crap on eBay. It's all crap. All of it. It is. All of this stuff. I've got cameras everywhere. It does look a mess because it's Christmas time. And a couple of jobs have just contaminated all of these players. I got to spend $700-800 with Tim just to get them cleaned. I cannot be bothered to clean them myself. It's drives me crazy. But yeah, this is another thing. With any company that you're shopping around with, make sure they're putting all of the titles, everything from the labels in there. Must do. These companies don't do that. They put a barcode on your tape, and the barcode, like an 11-digit number, is... So you'll have like all of these numbers, 11-digit numbers for every single line. Now you've got to go through all your videotapes and find the barcodes that match to then get the title off of the tape, the chicken scratch on the label. But sometimes they put stickers over the labels. So you now, all of your information, Christmas 1987, all of that is now covered with a sticker or a barcode. Peel it off, your label peels off. I mean, I could keep going for hours as I do on this channel. But every single day, people call me and they go, $800? Legacy box is $230. And you're like, have you not seen my YouTube videos? Guys, do it yourself. Go and spend $1,000 to get all the different formats and multiple players, and then learn how to fix your own stuff and then do it yourself. If you're looking for a quality company out there, you gotta go small, and you gotta ask the right questions, which is, what do you do to prep the tapes? What do you do if a tape is bad? What is your turnaround time? And also Google. I think it's at 306 now. And just seeing a facility, any passionate owner, because I am passionate about this stuff. I do knockout work. I've been doing this a long time. Oh, look, it just went. Look at that. I just caught it. I was kind of rambling here because I was waiting for it to go again. 6 minutes in. Okay, now what you're going to do, let's stop that capture. Because last time, and for you trolls out there that are like, Elgato, like, okay, you make a comment, guess what? You're gone. Because I've got so many videos about this. I've got endless videos about all the different software, the file types, what people are willing to pay for, all of this stuff. There are options out there. But for consumer level stuff with old tapes, yes, but don't even mention, no, you're gone. So here we go. Because you want files to pop up that quick. Small file sizes. You're not sending people a 3 terabyte download and they can't do anything with it. Yeah, but it's 4K AI rendering. Come on, you've got to do that. Yeah, for $1,000 a videotape, go ahead. So we got 551.
At The Simpsons.
551, 554. So basically, it is exactly the same point that tape went bad. Okay. Now I know this tape wasn't. These tapes, were not stored ideally. They were dirty. I could feel them. They were just not kept in the cases. So I already have marked these tapes. Yeah, look. And now you can see it. You know, this is what happens when you leave your tapes in, conditions that aren't ideal, i.e. humid garages. If you've got your stuff in the garage, attic, basement, as I say in all my videos, you make the next thing that you do after listening to me rambling, and go grab that stuff out of the garage, into the house, and then clean your stuff off. It is so gross what I have to open boxes with pet hair, droppings from rats, mice, the amount of dust, human skin, dander from pets, and I just open it, and I have to have a mask on sometimes because some of the stuff I get in is it's not good for your lungs. Mold. So what I'm doing right here, right now, okay, is a little trick. Sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't. I do this with all the tapes. Sometimes it's got to be done a few times. You've got to fast forward and rewind them, okay? A couple times. Fast forward in a Video 8 tape takes about 15 minutes, 20 minutes. People forget all of this prep work that's involved. I mean, these tapes, you think it's going fast and it's going to be done any second. No, it is literally like crawling. It makes a good noise. It sounds fast, but it's actually, when you look at it, it's like, yeah. So that'll take about half an hour to fast forward and rewind. I tell people, can you just get the tape and just look at it, just scan, just, dude, like me holding the fast forward button, that's what you have to do. Oh, really? You mean Elon Musk or Steve Jobs? They never brought out the amazing magical analog videotape sucker thing, you know, that you just put it in and it's done, right? Perfectly? No. It's like cutting your grass with a pair of scissors. Good times. But this is another thing that I do that any quality transfer company should be doing, which is deleting any blank space on the end. I see Legacy Box, Shipbox, Kodak Digitizing, Southtree, they are all the same shitty company with, 36 minutes of footage, all of it looking like crap. And then there'll be 2 hours and 45 minutes of blue screen. They don't even do this simple, basic thing of just, there we go, crop the blank off. It reduces file size, reduces upload time, transfer into thumb drives, and for the customer, they're not gonna have all this like crappy blue screen on the back end. Why would you have blue screen? Why would you? I've seen customers come in here with hard drives from Legacy Box, and just the files are just so disorganized and just all like 10-digit numbers, 11-digit numbers, and they've got 55 videotapes, and they've all got these barcodes on them. Where are they? They've all got these barcodes. See that included item barcode? That's what you put on there. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah, like an 8-digit code. And that's what it is. And then there's hours of blue screen. They're like, oh, I got to go through all this stuff, and I got to relabel it. I got to crop the blank off the end. And every single video file I click on, I'm like, oh my God, this is shit. This is awful quality. This fuzzy stuff missing. It's so bad. Anyway, Mixcam just crashed. Bye.